This is a rescue operation involving Russian soldiers transporting wounded troops in a Chinese desert cross buggy. However, they were ambushed by FPV drones, not once but twice within 5 minutes. Upon spotting the first drone, they maneuvered the buggy beside a damaged building, forcing the drone operator to attack from a single direction. The soldiers immediately jumped out of the buggy and engaged the drone in a coordinated defense, using rifles and machine guns as their primary weapons. One soldier issued a command that "move quickly before another drone arrives." After successfully engaging the first drone, they resumed their journey, only to be pursued again in an open area, most likely by the same operator. Once more, they stopped and took down the drone mid-course. This scenario highlights a crucial lesson in drone warfare. Soldiers who remain vigilant can effectively counter drone threats, while those caught off guard risk being taken by surprise.